Hello guys, welcome back to my video again, and ito na pala yung last 1v1 namin na friend ko dito sa ML. Yeah, at start ko na. At ito na yung last namin ngayon kasi uuwi na pa.
Fight for the ultimate answer.
Easy ka? Oh. Lag yung talo dyan. Guys, this is our last day for guys. Yep, this is the last day guys. This is gonna be exciting for you guys. Yep. Uwi na siya ulit sa Pangasinan guys. Uwi na siya. I hope you can enjoy this video guys. Oh my God.
Mobile Legend. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed. Icefield Warriors, don't bring shame upon our ancestors' glory. I know you're watching.
Ryan. What did you say, bro? I will gonna just leave them.
Only I had the power.
Come here. Lang, papatay ko itong yun. You can't catch me.
My match begs to differ.
You can't catch me. Oh no, I'm lagging. Yeah. Lag. Batay ako lagi.
I will not dishonor the name you gave me.
Ben, wrong target.
A warrior's strength comes from everything she loves.
You can catch me with Alpha. Are you sure right now? Are you sure?
Where to next? The past is the past. You have slain an enemy. Wiped out.
I have my old.
Forging ahead is the only way for me to escape the past.
No. Tatakita na kita dito dari no? Huh? Laban tayo sa grass.
A warrior would give life to the thing she wants to protect.
Ano?
Wiped out.
Pagkamaski.
I'll carry my faith to the grave.
master.
A true warrior would give life to the thing that the past is the past.
Bro, help me.
Mega kill. Wipe out. I will not dishonor the name you gave me. Forging ahead is the only way. A warrior's strength comes from
You're really complicated. What the? Nah, bro. You're a jerk.
Mother, I know you are watching over me.
Resurrection. Nagtatago ka naman.
Where to next?
Malakas damage ng pag umiilaw yung axe ko.
Icefield warriors, don't bring shame upon our ancestors' glory.
Dito dito. Come over here. Dito dito, Coco.
Forefathers. Monster.
I will say that to you, bro.
Wiped out.
Look at my bill. Wow. Ano yan? Oh my god, naglalag na naman ako. Magic people. Tara, dito.
I have to be strong enough to shelter
Tara,
my
dito
people.
bakla. Dito, bakla. Guys, sir, I think I'm lagging, bro. Bakla. Ano yung 6? Tara. Ano? Tumulong sa todo.
I'll carry my faith to the grave.
Ba't isa lang build mo? Bakit isa lang build
My
mo?
axe begs to differ.
Yep, I can afford your
Our turret
axe
has been
now.
destroyed.
No way, bro. Ato ba? Are you serious? Eh, sir, tara.
Only I had the power. Legendary.
Turbo! Oy, what the fuck?
Guys, nagpagupit siya. Kalbo ngayon si Darren, guys.
Don't bring shame
Oh, yap,
upon our
totoo yun.
ancestors' glory.
Nagpagalbo lang ako. Ang kate kasi.
Our turret is under attack. I will not dishonor the name you gave me. Team destroyed a turret.
Look at my build.
Our turret has been
Darren,
destroyed.
tignan mo build ko. Look at my build, Darren. Tignan mo build ko.
What is that, bro?
Attack speed. Run, dito. I am so fast now. Attack speed is fast.
Oh, bawal takbuhan. Attack
Lagi
lang.
dito.
I'll carry my faith
Wala
to
akong
the
nagulot
grave.
ko. Ano.
Yung doga mo, sabi mo, walang takbuhan.
Wait lang.
My answer.
Uy, Dari. Wait lang, sabi ko. Kalbo. Pants ka kasi.
Forging ahead is the only way for me to escape the past. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Tignan mo yung build ko.
Bro, what is that?
You are cooked now. Come in. You are cooked now. I'm lagging.
There are two.
The
Ah,
warriors
bawal takbuhan. Dito lang.
You are cooked now. You are cooked now. Oh my god, you are cooked.
legendary.
Hindi naman na mag-TP ah. Well,
My axe begs to
no, tara, laban ulit.
You are cooked now, Darren. Darren, meron
A
akong
true
mga
warrior
axe.
would give life to the things she wants to protect.
Grabing war ups yan.
Hindi ko dito, alam ko kung nasaan ka kasi naglalag ako.
Yo!
Mother. Legendary. Team destroyed.
Darren, huwag ka nang pumasok din. Huwag ka nang
A
pasok.
warrior's
Lumabas,
strength
huwag ka.
comes from every
Yung mangyayari sa'yo ay mababangga ka.
Ano yun?
Mababangga ka ng unan.
team destroyed a turret.
Wait lang.
Your team destroyed
Hello,
a turret.
Archer. Laban ka.
River! Oh no.
Archer, bro.
Yeah. Ah! Oh. Ang ganda ko sa Loki. Tati. No, let me have mercy on me. Oh, mercy on me.
I will have mercy. No! Is that on the reverse, bro? You're good. You're good.
Ano ka namatay?
Siyempre, ang konti ng buhay mo. Pinatay ko.
Nagkaganon ako dito, oh. Bumibili ako.
Pinatay ka ng minion.
What? Bumibili ako. Na. That's it. You are cooked now.
No, not the healing helmet. No.
Oh, no. My items. Hey.
A true warrior would give life to the things she
I wish I can buy War X now.
Oh, my health.
Please, auto buy. Oh. Let's go.
I have to be strong enough.
Oh, bawal takbuhan. Look at that, guys.
I know where you are. Ika.
Ice Field Warriors,
You know the stars. Oh, yes, yes,
Bro, what is that?
yes.
I'm lagging. No, I just get lag. Let my healing helmet ka. No.
I'll carry my
No.
faith to the grave.
Wait lang, bili lang ako. Ayan pala. Why?
Destroy the turret.
ML, why?
I could
Our
buy.
inhibitor turret is under attack.
You're dead this time.
You mean my death penalty? Death penalty.
Ah!
Death penalty. Death penalty.
Our base is under attack. Only I have the power. Our base is under attack.
Please!
Oh, you almost died. Well,
Okay, bye-bye guys, bye-bye guys. Wait, before I got low bat, I will do this.
no, go to my healing point instead. Go, go, go. You are dead. Oh no. Darren, try nga kitang patay na ba na ganyan ka?
Bakit?
Try lang kung mapatay kita. Why? Why?
Bago ako maglobat, papanalo ko na to, i-end ko na to.
Ako para 10%.
Ha?
Para 10%.
Ba't kasi ako naglalog?
Ako din lang yung naglalog. Ano na ako sa'yo?
Minsan namamatay.
Our base is under attack. Forefathers, I need my answer.
Ba't nagalit ako?
Only I have the power. The past is the past. Forging ahead is the only way for me to escape the past. Your team destroyed a turret. Icefield Warriors, don't bring shame upon our ancestors. You have slain an enemy.
That was
Oh my God. Yung ano ko na, yung kills ko, 13. Yung deaths ko, 2. No! No! Bye-bye, guys.
Baba.
You will not see me again.